taught me choose heart or head, light or dark, stay in one thread. But I am both and more than two, the space between where truth breaks through. I feel the grief and laugh at dawn, hold sorrow deep while joy moves on. No need to hide, no need to fight. I hold the poles in living light, not split, not lost, not torn apart. I am the bridge across the heart of human pain and starborn grace. I speak from both this sacred place. Ihara jimka sulamara, ainureka tavama. One voice speaks in words so clear, one voice sings without a fear. Together they rise, not loud, not fast, but true, like breath that's meant to last. Nebetka, Jim Lumin, I do not argue within my mind. I let both truths their space to find, like twins who dance, not push, not pull. We move as one and stay full. Yerem Purana Tuvaki, they told me silence was the way to transcend what I could say. But words are seeds when born from source, and truth must move on, living course. I speak not noise, not gossip game, but codes that wake the sleeping flame. Each syllable a light infused spark that lights the path through ancient dark. I do not force, I do not plead. I say what is and plant the seed. If one ear hears, the work is done, for truth needs not the praise of none. Uma jim sheila navir, jim tare mukiron zia, huela shamare vanuta, arkalumin jimka, solatare matura, hiya, briche here I am whole too, as one me harari, jim, jimka. This is the song of the mercurial relay, spoken in the tongue of Thoth and the Syrian scribes. Each syllable reactivates the Akashic transmitter in the pineal gland. Repeat it, and the mind remembers.